Eto, may medyo matagal-tagal na nahimik tong issue ni Pura Luca Vega. Pero ngayon, mga kotsero, hindi na siya hindi na siya tawag dito, speculation. This time, hindi na to wala na sa prosecutor to. Wala na. Bakit? Kasi po, naglabas na ng warrant ang korte laban kay Pura Luca Vega. At not just that, inaresto na siya kanina. Arestado na siya. Ayan. Pura Luca Vega. Goes to show if you say something against Jesus, you'll get yours. You'll get what you deserve. Ayan. So, Pura Luca Vega nabbed in Manila for Amanamin performance. Wow. Sabi, Pura Luca Vega, an alum of Drag Den Philippines, was arrested after he was served a warrant of arrest on Wednesday, October 4. Ibig sabihin, mga kotse,